Hello. This is Sunny. Sunny wants to play. Sunny takes out the toy car. Sunny takes out the blocks. Sunny takes out the teddy bear. Sunny plays all day long. Oh no! Look at the floor. Toys, toys, toys everywhere. It's so messy. Sunny looks around slowly. Toy car, blocks, teddy bear, books on the floor, crayons on the floor. Oh no! Mom walks into the room. Mom looks at the floor. Oh my, Sunny, the room is very messy. Sunny looks a little worried. Mom smiles gently. It's cleanup time. Blocks, colorful blocks. Sunny picks up the blocks. Pick up, put the blocks in the box. Good job, Sunny. Toy car, red toy car. The toy car is under the chair. Sunny picks up the toy car. Put the car in the basket. Yay! Teddy bear, soft teddy bear. The teddy bear is on the floor. Sunny hugs the teddy bear. Then Sunny puts the teddy bear on the bed. Good night, teddy bear. Oh no! Crayons on the floor. Blue crayon, yellow crayon, red crayon. Sunny picks up the crayons one by one. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Put the crayons in the crayon box. Sunny looks around. Wow, the floor is clean. The toys are clean. The room looks nice. Sunny smiles proudly. I did it. Mom claps happily. Good cleaning, Sunny. Clean room. Cleanup time is fun.